Hello, friends. I am your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with our special Wellness Wednesdays this month, all around your wisdom and your wellness. We're closing out with our Wise and Well Women series with a wellness panel. Wellness. It's last in the series because what is the one thing we sometimes put last on the list? Is our own self-care, our own wellness. And so these women in this panel tomorrow on the 23rd of February from 1 to 2:30 Eastern are going to share what's worked for them, what hasn't. How can we actually make it all happen? How can we truly take care of ourselves and be there for the people we love? Listening to these women's stories is going to help you to amplify and elevate the way you think about taking care of yourself. You're going to redefine what self-care actually means. And one of my favorite rituals and something we're going to do in our experience is seeing how the power of essential oils help us from body and all the way to soul. Now, I picked Bergamot essential oil for our Wise and Well Women series, and I'm going to use it a lot because Bergamot actually helps many of our chakras. So on the energy level, it helps our chakras to align. It actually can protect our energy from those energy vampires. So just allowing it to emanate the aroma, you can place it on your chakras, rolling the oil on to create that container of the energy. You can actually apply it right below your navel. It actually helps our female organs to operate more optimally at whatever age you are at. As well as aromatically, bergamot is a citrus oil, so it's a natural mood lifter. It makes you feel better. And so using bergamot aromatically, which we do all the time in setting intentions and rituals, learning a little bit more about how you apply it in sacred rituals for your chakras, for feminine energy, and for protecting your own energy in a little bit of a boundary bubble, as I call it, is one of the wellness ways that I wanted to highlight today, and something we will explore on top of so much more in our series. It's completely free to join. And if you've missed the rest of them, don't worry. If you sign up, you'll receive all of our wellness series and the wisdom series. So that's going to be leadership. It'll be the panel of wellness, and it'll also be spiritual growth. Listening to over a dozen of women's stories in more of a panel workshop format. Join us live for our final one. We would love to have you. And if it doesn't work, don't worry. You'll be a part of our sisterhood in virtual circle in the recordings. So this is Tracy with your Wellness Wednesday of being a wise and well woman with essential oils and the theme of wellness. Be well, everyone.